guys, this is Motorcycle Boss. So here we're going to be working on a Yamaha V-Star. We got a simple service that this thing needs to do. So basically it is having an issue with trying to open the gas cap, and it's pretty gritty, grimy. This thing has some rust inside, but I'm going to show you guys a real simple way to make this easier. So you're not going to want to use WD-40 on this, otherwise it is basically going to only last you maybe a week or so, and then it's going to just disappear. So this is what you're going to want to use. This is called Lock Lube or Dry Lube. It's made specifically for like lock and tumblers, or pin tumbler locks. So it's going to come out really thin and runny, and then once it comes out thin and runny, it's going to dry, and it's going to dry like a grease, like a thin grease kind of. It's made specifically for this. So I'm just going to kind of cover this up a little bit, and we're just going to spray it right into the keyhole. And then we're going to take the key and just try to work it, and just do this over and over and over again. And I'm going to also get underneath inside here in this little pin that's right here. Not pin, but this block, just a little bit. Just make sure that you realize this overspray is going to turn white. All right, that opens way better. So remember, any overspray you have, it's going to turn white. So just make sure you wipe it off once it dries. But that is going to be a near permanent solution. Look at that. Oh man, that's way better. That is way better. This is going to last much longer than WD-40. Just give it a second to dry. Make sure you work it in all the way, and you should be good to go. So just to show you an example of kind of what this lube will do, this is my toolbox. And you can see like it's going to come out really runny, and as it dries, it's going to start to dry white. And this turns into basically a grease. So if this video helped any of you guys out as far as saving money and making sure you don't have to take it to the dealership to get this done, please subscribe to the channel. I've got more videos coming, as well as some previously. It'll help you save money and keep your motorcycle away from this dealership. And with that being said, if any of this has helped you, please let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.